November is finally here, and that means we should see some hot new sneakers hitting store shelves going into the holidays. Hey, welcome back to another video here in Dead Stock Release. Before we get started, be sure to hit that thumbs up button. It helps a lot with the channel and doesn't cost you a single penny. So today, I'll go over my top 5 picks for this month's release. Of course, take this with a grain of salt because this list can change throughout the month if any unexpected announcement occurs. Alright, without any further ado, let's dive into the list. Starting at number 1, the Nike SB Dunk Low Elephant Print. This colorway is expected to drop on November 11th, selling at a retail price of $110. Number 2, the What The Air Jordan 5 Retro is expected to drop on November 12th, selling at a retail price of $220. Moving on to number 3. We have the Court Purple Air Jordan 3 Retro. We can expect them to hit the shelves on November 21st at a retail price of $190. Coming up on number 4 will be the Fade colorway of the Yeezy 350 V2. These will be available for purchase on November 11th at a retail price of $220. And lastly, the Bruce Lee Nike Kobe 5s, expecting to come out on November 27th at a retail price of $180. Well, these are my top 5 picks for this month. Let me know in the comment section below which one of these 5 will you pick. And if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to our channel for tech and sneaker updates if that is something you are interested in. And until next time, take care.